Hey everybody, I hope your day is going splendidly. I just wanted to offer a little bit of advice for you to take if you like it. Um, Everybody is in a state of uh, almost being forced to let go of the realities that they've been hanging on to for a long time. What you could call this is like the next awakening. So the ones who woke up maybe last year or something like that. A lot of them spent the year, not woke up, but they woke up a little while ago. They've spent a bunch of time, whether it's divine feminine or divine masculine, they've spent a bunch of time understanding their sovereignty and playing with their sovereignty and becoming perfect manifestors. Um, but now what we're being kind of forced to look at is those aspects of self that we still are rejecting. Um, And so for me, I've been working on my own unworthiness, I'll say. Um, Feeling that source is running through me at all times is a huge responsibility for how I talk to people. It's very lonely in a way, but also very not lonely. And so what I've been needing to let go of is uh, sort of always being in like a teacher mode. Um, we need to try to be really, really, really gentle with each other. The whole human race. Be as gentle as you can, because everybody is looking at themselves very clearly. The energy is so high that it forces you. It absolutely forces you to look at that which you are fearing the most. And it can be so overwhelming. Um, and then when that happens, we get triggered and we start to look outside again, right? Because we try to avoid it. And this is just my advice to consider going back within, turning the lens of your awareness back within, and understanding that you're a sovereign being. You are here to be a god. You're not here to argue with other gods, right? That's how you could think of it. And as I say this, the sun is just risen over the tree line there, and it's just sort of brilliantly blinding me. Um, the sun is rising on the children of the sun, right? And this is hard. It's hard. This is the great work, right? We're doing the great work. It's time for people to uh, obviously do what they feel called to do. And so it's okay to be anxious. It's okay to be sad. It's okay to be lonely. It's okay to be fearful. All I'm recommending is that when you notice you're in those states, that you try to develop a practice of saying, oh, I'm actually bringing myself out of alignment because I'm spiraling in these states, and these states feel comfortable, but that's not real, right? That's an illusion. So I can feel the sort of tumultuous nature of the collective at this moment, and I really just want everybody to have their power, take their power, step into it now. It's there for you. Um, it's just sort of waiting for you, you know. Um, and we just be really gentle with each other because everybody's doing it, and also everybody's uh, also stepping into the power and recognizing their sovereignty more and more and more. And so human beings tend to want to posture and explain to you why you're wrong, or they tend to posture and say, when you share something, they tend to say, "Well, here's my truth," and that's fine. Speaking your truth is perfect. We just need to remember that our truth, when we speak it to another, if they say their truth right after, we should just be grateful for their sharing of their truth, even if it doesn't line up with ours. We just hold space for it. We don't need to change their truth. We don't need to teach them in every moment. Um, this is a time not to trigger each other. It's a time to hold each other in our hearts and to just allow what is. Um, and of course, as always, this is just my opinion. Your free will is the most important thing to me, and your sovereignty. That's all I care about: free will and sovereignty, and dissolving the illusion. So, thank you so much. I hope everyone has such a blessed day, and I'll talk to you soon.